Shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. We are very excited to have you here with us today because we are going to let go when I tell you to. I'll kick your.
Wear some hard clothes.
We don't even know. Toss the object. I love that the back of it is completely flat. we just mess up everything.
This should be perfect if you were getting dragged by a car
No.
on the road.
Be careful for what you
What did
say.
I miss?
Oh no.
Stitch on your back?
Shaved
Yeah,
fetish.
that's what I'm
On
saying.
your back.
I'll do it with a helmet.
Dude, we could snowboard this.
Aaron, please. Aaron, please.
No.
It's just like, you got
This
it?
doesn't work at all.
It works. I put it on,
think
I
you
put it on
did.
myself, yes.
Fully?
This one, this
Fully
arm's
on,
like
yeah.
way.
Gotta loosen it up a little bit.
I think it might be
my
easier to
body
get that
doesn't-
right first.
Like the cops do that when they're about to handcuff you.
You're in the back of a cop car like this.
You'd be like, this is so embarrassing. I'll never get arrested again.
Both arms in like halfway. Not one fully in all the way.
It's breaking my elbows.
Now you just gotta shimmy it on.
How's your, I don't want to break your arm.
You know,
Yeah.
There he goes. That's
you know, if putting it on is as hard, imagine getting it off.
Scarecrow Cairo.
This feels incredible. Pull over hoodie.
If you can put your hood on right now with your arms out like this, that's why he left the hood.
Put the hood on. Put the hood on.
And if you can put it on yourself, $10,000
Yeah? That's the challenge?
With your arms.
with your arms. All right, now you gotta skate. Oh, what did you fall?
What if you fall? You'll break your arms. Or will you? Maybe you won't. Alright, help me get this off. It's breaking every part of my body. Ouch. Oh, it hurts so bad. I remember what the pants feel like now. Just the worst. What if we had pants and the jacket? How can you do that so good? Look at the contortions with your body.
Because I'm young.
Look at him.
From the back, it just looks so weird.
Get him.
Just grab an arm.
Trip him. No, no. Oh no. We got him. I can't run that fast. Do you think we finally found something new?
Yep. Oh, here he comes. He's flying.
I got a camera.
Kickflip.
I just like beating things up with them. My arms are impenetrable.
From the back? It's so flat. Look at him. Wait. That should be the thumbnail right there. I can't get up.
Oh, dude.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Don't hit me in the back of the head. Oh, it's like nothing.
Really? Wow.
I'm probably gonna have the easiest time getting in this, dude.
I want to zip
I
it
got
up on you. Oh, it looks so funny.
Go flex.
You're in my danger zone.
Like,
okay?
our little boy Carlos is all grown up going to his first day of school.
Yeah, right. I can't even dress myself right now.
Starting to go.
It's beginning to believe.
I'm beginning to start losing my lungs. Oh, God, it's just tightening up. Don't pinch my neck.
Okay.
It's like a chest brace for your cracked rib.
Oh no, Carlos. How are you doing that?
Look, look, look. It's ripping.
You're golden.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's because my knees are limited to bend up.
Oh! What are you gonna do if you fall, Carlos?
Take it.
You hear that? It's ripping.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm sweating already so much, dude. We should have did this during the winter. You guys are crazy.
It reminds me of Lance.
This is how he stand when he skated.
Oh!
Rail drop.
We should stand him in the middle of the parking lot and see if he scares the crows away.
He looks like he has a floating head. Get up, Carlos.
I can't.
You got this. Oh my God! Yeah.
You're like pop. Like.
That was actually incredible. You have no idea how hard that is.
Yes. Yes.
Ah, come on.
You are sweating a lot.
Dude, it's hot.
Wow.
Can you straighten up the pad, somebody? There's a no flex zone in my arms right now. I'm an airplane.
You got a nose manual?
Wow.
Way easier.
That's sick. Oh, it is oddly flat for a man with such a bumpy back.
It is. Look at how flat it is.
Look at how flat that is, and look at how bumpy Doug's back is. Oh, oh.
This might just be the surgical operation he's been waiting for. So we should give them an update. Actually, you went to the doctor, you got it checked out.
It's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous at all. Just so you guys know, there's no danger.
No danger, no risk.
And then they're gonna get it taken off, right?
Yeah, they gotta cut it off.
They're gonna cut it off.
Oh, this is weird.
Yeah.
I heard that you can do some magic tricks.
Hey, yes, Gabe, how you doing? Betty, what's up, man? What's up, brother? How you doing? Nice to meet you, man. Aaron, oh my gosh, man.
How are you doing?
I started skateboarding because of you.
Oh,
so
yeah?
yes.
No way.
I'm on the ollie right now, so I'm learning
yeah?
everything right now.
You gonna do a magic trick? Yeah.
Yes. Do me a favor here.
No.
Yes, you have to.
Okay.
Here, I got these bands here. Can you check that out for
What
me?
do I do? Just
pull
check
one
it
up.
out?
Yeah, make sure it's solid, make sure it doesn't break, all right? Every time I do this, people think I have like trick bands. No such thing, okay? I just want you to make sure that's cool. Check this out. I'm sorry, your name?
Doug.
Doug, can you check that out? Pull it up.
Is it solid?
Yes. Solid as a band can be, I guess, right?
Solid as a band can
I'll
be.
take that. You have a bill that I can use. Any kind of bill? Any kind of bill? You have one? Hold on to it. Let's put your wallet away. Use your imagination. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 steps of a ladder. Imagine a ladder.
Yeah.
Take that bill and fold it in half for me. The lengthwise.
Oh,
There you go. Yes. Give it a nice crease. Take this end. Push it in between the first and second step. Push through.
Up here.
The first one, right there, around the bottom. And hold those two ends together. Aaron, if you want to, you can get behind me so you can actually see nothing's going on. Hold tight. You don't move. Don't let go. Don't move. Perfect. Here's the idea. I'm gonna move the bill up and down the ladder while you're holding on to it. Okay? Don't let. We'll try. Let's see. Watch. First, the second.
No way.
Look, it's actually on the next step. Look, my fingers didn't move or anything,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Look, you didn't let go? I'm gonna try to go through the bill. Here we go, watch. Second to the third. Oop, there you go. Look, step by step, look, it jumped from one band to the other if you're thinking about that.
How much is he paying you for this, Doug?
Shoot, we'll talk about it later. The last one, right by your fingers.
No!
Look, from the very, very bottom to the very, very top. Can I see it real quick? Look, I did that in slow motion so you can see what it looks like. Here's how I normally do it. As you see, I'm kind of locking. Sort of trapping that bill. You see how it's locked on there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move your bill down to the bottom where it started again. You're gonna see it melt through every single strand. It's exactly like this. Here we go.
I don't understand who I am anymore.
Here, take a bill.
Morphnito.
What?
Pull all the way off. There you go.
What?
Doug is just.
I watched it twice now and I still don't get it. I don't get it.
Are you okay?
I'm good, but I'm confused.
That means it's working. That's good. Thank you. And thank you. Awesome.
Yeah.
Aaron. Yes. You got it.
I can't even get on.
Now you just
It feels a little better, I guess, for what it is.
Well, it's not supposed to feel good.
There you go.
I believed in you, Doug.
He said it hurts so bad I can't wait to get it off. Same. I felt the exact same.
We're already here.
No way. You can't. Look at his arm is backwards. Stop it. What are you doing?
We're already here. And right now I was pushing by the wall. I hit the wall.
I know.
You can take it off.
only catch
you
is
get
you
the
have-
pizza.
You have to keep.
I kind of want to switch crook.
Switch crook.
I want to switch crook.
All right, Aaron, there's one last thing I want for this video. Everyone to put on the jacket, lay on their back, and they have to get up.
All right, let's go.
You got a little something on your The last thing you have to do before you take it off,
It really hurts right now.
all you have to do is lay on your back and you have to get up. Come on, Doug. Come on, Doug.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Too much leg.
How else do you get up? Some help? Let me help you out here.
Oh yeah.
You got it on? You ready for school?
It was already on. He was just dancing with me.
Hey, Gabe. Hey.
It dented my knuckle.
Let's see if I can lay down and get back up. I'm stuck.
All four. Did you hit your head?
Yeah.
Betty,
Dude. Who's gonna cheat? It's okay. Put the hood on and keep me going. Take me to the car. Yeah. Freedom! Oh no! Oh no! Help me! Help me! Splinters in my butt! Splinters! I feel like I'm stuck in an airplane.
Oh!
No way. Oh, that hurts. What the?
This is not what you want to happen.
That's like really hard to do.
what? So perfect. You're like meant for that.
The steez.
Funniest thing is South Park and skate. That's what it looks like.
Dun,
I don't trust Nigel driving.
dun,
I don't trust Nigel. Wait, what can I hold on to? Gabe, let go when I tell you to. I'll kick your balls. Don't try this at home or ever. Don't launch it.
This is like getting drawn quartered. Like back in the old days.
Get it. Oh, it's impenetrable, the Line-X. Wait, back up. Let's go again.
I felt like I was benching 2 plates, but holding it like this. If I did not have a shirt on, my muscles would have been the size of Incredible Hulk's.
I mean, it's pretty fun.
Are you cool with us holding both legs, Kyra?
My neck has never gotten such a workout.
It's quite the honor.
All right, go. Let it rip. How's my back?
Barely.
It's impenetrable.
Oh, your shirt!
It's impenetrable.
Oh, no. Your shirt, dude.
Is it? Good thing I was wearing a helmet.
Somebody's been watching too much Tokyo Drift.
I was just waiting for it to like go all the way through.
Hold onto the trunk and like sit on it like a magic carpet.
Okay.
Dude, for a second there, Gabe and I almost like fell out.
Yeah.
He started going fast.
So another huge thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. If you guys have never heard of Squarespace, it's an incredibly powerful platform where you can build your website. A lot of creative people from artists, musicians, etc. use this website because it's very easy to use, has award-winning templates. You never have to change it, upgrade it, or become a computer programmer. They have incredible 24/7 customer support. You just get on there, make a beautiful website, and you're good to go. Go to squarespace.com/BrailleSkate right now for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase right now. Squarespace.com/BrailleSkate. Link is also in that description below. Let's go. Check out all the other videos right there. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you tomorrow.